Welcome to LSV Weekly, your Sunday briefing for smarter living in the GTA. From top school zones to plant-powered plates, stylish outdoor gear to next-gen home buying, we're diving into the lifestyle choices that shape smarter homes, healthier habits, and better decisions. This week's top school zone? Bayview Village in North Toronto, a rare blend of academic excellence and luxury living. Think elite schools, green pockets, and a village vibe in the heart of the city.
Welcome to Bayview Village, a Toronto neighborhood renowned for its exceptional educational institutions. At the forefront is Hollywood Public School, tied for first place among Toronto District School Board elementary schools, reflecting outstanding student performance. Nearby, Elkhorn Public School offers diverse programs, including French immersion and gifted talented education, catering to varied student needs.
Catch the full top 10 GTA school zones, now streaming only on lifestylevideos.com. Up next, when clean eating meets comfort food, this vegan pizza hits every note. Savory, simple, and plant-powered.
So I've just blended up the nut cheese and I'm going to place it on the crust. Very easy process, just a very quick blending in the food processor and then placing on the crust. It spreads nice and easy. And here I've taken all kind of my favorite veggies that I like on pizza and I've marinated them in a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and coconut aminos, which is a soy-free tamari, and a little sea salt. So I've let that sit for about 10-15 minutes and all the flavors come out, so it's really delicious. And all you do is take as little or as much as you like.
Whether you're feeding one or hosting many, this dish delivers. Grab the full recipe now, only on lifestylevideos.com. Next, trinkets tell stories, but styling them takes skill. Here's how to showcase what you love without the clutter.
We have here a whole collection of things. I want to decorate this countertop. So for example, I have this little boot. This used to belong to my brother. We only have one. We can't find the other one. And it's just an heirloom piece that I decided to put a little glass into, treat it as a vase. It's just a juice glass. Tuck it inside there very nicely. And all of a sudden, I can use this as a floral arrangement. You can put real flowers in there, but in this case, I'm treating this as a little Christmas decor. So that's one little thing you can do with a found object. This piece is an heirloom. It's been in our family for many years and it's broken. We're not going to throw it away. It means nothing to anybody except us. So just to let people know it's not really a creamer and they can't use it, I just put a little flower in there and all of a sudden it pops and complements the rest of the vignette.
From flea markets to family treasures, it's all about intentional placement. Browse our full decor video series, now live at lifestylevideos.com. Up next, multi-generational home buying is rising fast, but shared ownership brings shared responsibilities. From ownership shares to financial boundaries, this week's Estate Rewired explores what it really takes to co-buy with family.
Co-buying a home with your parents sounds like teamwork, until someone wants a new kitchen and someone else wants to pull equity to buy a boat. But in 2025, this is happening more and more. Rising prices, stagnant wages, aging parents. And here you are, house hunting together like you're picking out a Netflix show. The key? Clarity. Who owns what? Who pays what happens when someone wants out? It's not personal, it's paperwork.
That's it for this edition of LSV Weekly, where smarter homes, better meals, and future-focused living all come together. Like, subscribe, and dive deeper at lifestylevideos.com, where smart living begins every Sunday.